Hey guys, so I've been asked to do a few more problems for lesson 30. So I'm going to do a few more problems. I already explained it on another video. So if you haven't watched that one, please watch that one first. So what we're doing is mixed fractions plus fractions. So 2 and 3/5 plus 3/5. So we first look for our whole number, which is right here, 2. And then we see that our two fractions have the same denominator, so we're going to just add the tops. 6/5 is what we get. Then we notice that this is an improper fraction, so we have to break that down. And when we break that down, how many fifths do we need for a whole? Well, we need 5/5 to make one whole. If I take 5 away from 6, I'm left with 1/5. Okay, so 2, this becomes 1, so 2 plus 1 is 3, and 1/5. So 2 and 3/5 plus 3/5 is 3 and 1/5. Okay, so let me show you another way. You might see it like this. Okay, 7/10 plus 6 and 6/10. So what is the first thing I do? I look for my whole number, 6. Then I tell myself I'm going to look for my fractions. They're both same denominator, so I'm going to add the top. 7 plus 6. If you said 13, that is correct. 13/10. Then I'm going to break down my 13/10. How many tenths do I need for a whole? I need 10/10 to make one whole. If I take 10 away from 13, I'm left with 3/10. So 6 plus 1 is 7 and 3/10. Oops. So 7/10 plus 6 and 6/10 is 7 and 3/10. Okay. So hopefully that makes sense to you, because once it makes sense to you, you're going to be able to do larger problems like this. Let's do 4 and 90 over 100 plus 58 over 100. Okay, all we're doing is making bigger fractions. So take our whole number, then we look at our fractions, we know they're the same, so 90 plus 58. If you don't know this, you come over here and you do 90 plus 58. 0 plus 8 is 8. 9 plus 5 is 14. Okay, so you get 148 over 100. Since this is an improper fraction, we're going to break it down. How many hundredths do I need for a whole? 100 hundredths. And then if I take 100 away, I have 48 hundredths left. So this is really 1. 4 plus 1 is 5 and 48 hundredths. And that's your answer. Hopefully this helped you, and I will be on tomorrow at 11:30 to help you some more. See you then.